Here we discuss about the subsets. Let A and B be any two set. If every element of set A is lying in the set B, then A is called a subset of B, or A is said to be included B, or B includes A. This sign is representing subset sign. Be careful about this. If all the elements of set A are lying in B, then A is said to be subset of B. Look at the given example. A is containing 1, 2, 3. All these three elements are present in the set B. Hence, we can write A is a subset of B. Here we are listing all possible subsets of the given set. First is taking all the three elements. Then second is taking single element. Third is with single element. Four is with single element. Fifth, sixth, and seven are with two elements. And eighth is an empty set. The empty set is a subset of every set. To list the subsets, first we take empty set, then single element, then pair of element, then three element together. Here we discuss about the formula of finding the number of subsets of a set. The formula is 2 power n, where n is the number of elements. Here an example is given in which set A is containing 3 elements. The number of possible subsets will be 2 power 3, which is equal to 8. Here are some properties of the subsets. Every set is a subset of itself. Empty set is a subset of any set. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A will be equal to B. If A is a subset of B, B is a subset of C, then A is a subset of C. This property is known as transitivity. The number of subsets of a set with n element is 2 power n. A is set B is called as proper subset of the set C. If B is a subset or equal set of C and B is not equal to C, a set B is called as proper subset of the set C if B is a subset of C but B is not equal to C. Then we say it is a proper subset. Here we are listing all the proper subsets of a set. It is done by empty set, then taking one element, then taking two element. All the three elements will not be taken because they will be equal to A. Here we discuss about the formula of finding the number of proper subsets of a set. The formula is 2 power n minus 1, where n is the number of elements in the set. Here a set is given with 3 elements. The number of proper subsets will be 2 power 3 minus 1, which is 7. Power set. A collection of all possible subsets of a set A is called power set of A. To write the power set of A, we write all possible subset of the given set and then we make it as a set with a curly bracket. Then it is said to be a power set. For example, we have written a set A here which is containing 3 elements. We have written all possible subsets of this set and they are included in a curly bracket. It is power set. Here we have to write the power set of the given set is. First we write all possible subsets of the set by taking one element, by taking two elements, by taking all the three elements and an empty set. All these subsets are written within a curly bracket so that it makes a power set. Now the formula to find the number of elements present in a power set of a set, it is 2 power n. The formula is 2 power n. Here a set is given with 3 elements. So number of elements in the power set will be 2 power 3, which is equal to 8. in universal set. In application of set theory, all the sets under discussion are assumed to be the subset of the fixed large set called the universal set. This set is usually denoted by U or E. The set U is the upper set of every set. For example, all the people in the world constitute the universal set in any study of human population. Here we are going to discuss about the intervals. Intervals are actually the representation of a part of real numbers. Since in a set we mention only the specific elements, and in interval we write two elements and all the elements between those two elements are also included. We have different types of interval. First is closed interval. This closed interval is represented in three different forms: set builder form, roster form, and number line. Set builder form of the closed interval says x, where x is a real number. Be careful about it, it is for the real number. X is greater than equal to a and less than equal to b. It means all the values between a and b as well as a and b are also included. All the values between these two and these values itself are included in the closed interval. In the roster form we write it x belongs to, this sign is for the closed interval, square bracket. This square bracket is representing the closed interval. Here we have written a comma b, means all the elements between a and b as well as a and b are also included. On the number line we represent this in this form. We have written a, b, this closed circle and darken between the a and b. Now second type is open interval. In open interval we write x where x belongs to R. X is greater than a and less than b. It means all the numbers between a and b, but a and b itself are not included. Excluding these two, all the numbers between a and b, but a and b are not included. In the roster form also it is open interval. This sign is for the open interval, or we can also use this sign. On the number line we make this one a open circle, at b also open circle, but all the elements between a and b are included. This open circle is saying a is not included. This open circle says b is not included. Here in the left open interval. Left open interval is always right closed. Set builder form is x where x belongs to R. X is greater than a but less than equal to b. It is open from the left side and closed from the right side. Open from the left side, closed from the right side. All the values between a and b are included. B is included, but a is not included. Be careful, a is open so it is not included, and b is closed so it is included. Here we have written open circle for a and closed circle for b. It means a is not included, b is included. Then right open. Right open means x is greater than equal to a, less than b. Here left is closed, so a is included, but the right is open, b is not included. Here also closed circle means a is included. Here at b we have open circle, it means b is not included. These are the intervals.